Imagine a factory floor abuzz with activity, but instead of grime-covered mechanics, you see intelligent robots performing delicate tasks with unmatched precision. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of car manufacturing, powered by the ever-evolving force of artificial intelligence, AI. AI is rapidly transforming the car industry, not just on the road with self-driving vehicles, but behind the scenes in the factories that produce them. From design and production to quality control and logistics, AI is weaving its magic threads, leading to a new era of efficiency, safety, and innovation. Here's how AI is taking the wheel in car manufacturing. Supercharged design. Imagine AI algorithms that can analyze mountains of data to optimize car designs for everything from fuel efficiency to passenger comfort. AI can simulate crash tests virtually, identify weak points, and suggest improvements all before a single metal sheet is bent. Flawless production. Repetitive tasks on the assembly line are a perfect fit for AI-powered robots. These tireless machines can handle welding, painting, and part assembly with unmatched precision and consistency, minimizing human error and ensuring flawless car bodies. Eagle-eyed quality control. AI vision systems can act as digital quality inspectors, scanning cars with laser-like focus to identify even the tiniest defects in paint welds or components. This not only improves overall quality, but also frees up human inspectors for more complex tasks. Predictive maintenance. No more scrambling when a factory machine breaks down. AI can analyze sensor data from equipment to predict potential failures before they occur. This allows for proactive maintenance, minimizing downtime and ensuring smooth production flow. Supply chain smarts. AI can analyze vast amounts of data on parts availability, transportation routes, and market demands. This allows manufacturers to optimize their supply chains, ensuring they have the right parts in the right place at the right time, reducing delays and costs. The impact of AI in car manufacturing goes beyond just efficiency. It's about creating a safer, more sustainable, and ultimately more exciting driving experience. So buckle up for the future. AI is here to stay, and its role in car manufacturing is only going to grow. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and share this video with anyone who loves cars and cutting-edge technology. Together, let's explore the incredible journey of AI and the future of car manufacturing.